This meal is being prepared for Rich Davis. Instant Pot Brussels Sprouts Potato and Apple Kumquat Dinner, Part 2 of 2.
But tonight what we're doing is we're cooking Brussels sprouts,
Small baby potatoes,
4 apples, delicious kumquats.
Welcome to Vegan Kiwis to Pistachio. Brussels Sprouts Potato and Apple Kumquat Dinner. Ingredients: 1. Instant Pot pressure cooker. 2. Glaze. 2 tablespoons Organic Agave Nectar. Also, 1 cup minced raw kumquats. This will make the glaze. Instant Pot pressure cooker.
So the first step we do is we turn on the Instant Pot and we put on this vegetable steamer. Protects the vegetables from being damaged.
Let's get started. Preparing the kumquat glaze.
So what we're doing now is making the glaze. So in this bowl here, or the white bowl, I'm going to be putting my 2nd tablespoon of Organic Agave Nectar. Now why so much? Well, we're using a full cup of raw kumquats. We're going to be mixing it in, not putting any salt, any herbs, any seasoning. This is all we're putting on. I'm going to be using this as a glaze for the potatoes, the apples, and the Brussels sprouts. Okay.
Applying the glaze.
So what I've done is I've layered the entire top portion, as you can see right here, the potatoes, the apples, and the Brussels sprouts with all of that kumquat and agave nectar dressing.
Setting the pressure cooker.
Okay, now what we're doing is we're setting this to the center. We want it to seal. Okay, so I press manual. It's already at 1 because I was cooking something earlier, and we're going to leave it there and it will turn itself to the on position and start its cycle. Okay, so we'll see you when I come back when it finishes.
Vent the pressure cooker for 5 minutes.
So the Instant Pot just ended right now, so we're going to turn it off and we're going to let it vent naturally. It shouldn't take more than 5 minutes, but...
Fast vent for 5 minutes. Hold down the vent cap.
Okay, so what we did is we let it vent naturally for 5 minutes. You see there's still a lot of steam, so what we're going to do, we're going to, what I call fast venting. We're going to allow, okay, it just drops. Now we can open it up. Remember, you pick up the lid and let the juices fall inside. Put the lid down in a safe place, and you see it's cooked. Went right through that potato, of course, perfectly.
Serving and tasting the food.
I'm going to use a slotted spoon. You see now, this is a apple. That's probably enough apple for me. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut them and take and test them. See how easily that cut through? This is a butter knife, so it's really not very sharp. Well, it's very hot, but it's completely cooked all the way through, and that's also very good. And the apple. Now, if you wanted to dress this up, you could put some vegan butter on over the Brussels sprouts. You could use cashew cheese over it. You could put out cashew cheese over the potatoes. I'm going to show you how to do that. Almond cheese. You use the same thing on the very, very hot Brussels sprouts. And the apples are sweet enough so that they don't really need to be anything to be added to them. They have a nice taste. A little bit like kumquats, not as tart as a kumquat, just a very nice taste.
The final product.
I chose not to put this in the freezer bags. This is the Brussels sprouts, which are perfect. And I put the potatoes on this side. And these are the apples. Plus, this is the juice I collected from the bottom. I found out that this juice tastes really wonderful, and I'm going to try to make some smoothies out of it. Well, this concludes our presentation.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.